We are using the original lift pipe for the Truma Aquaflow system, but as you can see it doesn't fit on a Waterhog 92mm system, so I have purchased a replacement which I shall be showing you in a later video, also with the whale replacement for this with a filter on. Okay. Hi and welcome back to Jones Clan Back in a Caravan. Today I shall be showing you what we are replacing the standard Truma Aquaflow lift pipe on, which is standard with our caravan, with the small dust cover. We're going to replace this because Julie says that she doesn't like the taste of the water, so what we will be doing is adding that to a whale replacement for the Truma Aquaflow. So here we go. Out it comes, whereas the standard one will drop and curl up, which some people have reported. This, with it having a heavy filter, actually sinks to the bottom. The other part being it has a cover which, by pressing the top button, the cover comes off. It's also a protection in this day and age, so that is what is going to fit to your caravan instead. So clicks back on. This dust cover will be replaced and the filter will be removed. This will be removed and the 92mm dust cover will be replace the white cover, so that actually covers the Waterhog, which we have 51 litre. So this filter is a carbon based filter with silver trains in it. It's much like the Brita filter that you get in a Brita water container. So we shall remove this. The filter is removable and is recommended that you replace it at least twice a season. We shall then get some snips and snip the small tie wrap and remove it, and then remove the connector off the hose. Just a barbed connector, and then remove the white filter dust cover, or sorry, the dust cover rather than the filter. Place that to one side and then get our new dust cover for the Waterhog, which can be got from most suppliers. We happen to get ours from, along with the whale replacement pipe, from the big white box. So you'll see that that is stepped there, so it'll fit on various sizes of hose. So this should now fit into the onto the pipe. It is being a little reluctant. And there we go, and then we basically place the barbed connector back on, and with a new tie wrap place the tie wrap to keep the pipe secure. There. Just give it a nice little nip up. Trim the excess off when you've actually tightened it. Yeah, a few little extra. There it is tight. Trim the end and then return the filter on. All the part numbers I've got for these I'll put in the link below of where got them, and then this is ready to go down to the caravan and be put onto the into the 51 litre Waterhog. So we'll see you down there. Yeah, just to let you know, I did forget, it comes with quite a good instruction manual with what to do, what the tips are. I've just had a quick look, and it's quite in depth and quite good, as what you normally get from Vale. Okay, so here we are back at the caravan with our little modification. Here's the original pipe. So as you can see, it will fit in there. Pull the trigger and in it goes. Now we feed it back, put it in, and as you can see, even right up, it won't go over the neck. So this is now our spare, just in case. And here's the one we made up, the whale equivalent to the Truma Aquaflow. So take off the cover, depress the trigger, insert and release the trigger, place the filter in. As you can see there, just a little bit more so that it gets to the bottom. Yeah, that's at the bottom now. There we got a proper dust cover, not all scrunched up, all ready to go. So if you like this, give us a thumbs up, Remember to subscribe, it helps the channel, and hit the bell notification icon to get notifications of our next vlogs. So it only needs to say TTFN. See you soon.